Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the PVA mix and tools so you can rig quickly. Fill your mesh bag with the chosen bait. Use 25 mm for small hook baits, 35 mm for medium. Once done, add crumb and micro pellets, then wet slowly to bind. You want a damp, cohesive mass rather than a slurry. Make sure to keep a small dry pocket for the hook bait. This early control sets the release pattern, so you'll know why carp find and hold on to the pile. You now load and seal the PVA bag carefully to control presentation. Compress the bait evenly into the mesh. This prevents air pockets that change sink rate. Once packed, wrap PVA tape tightly or use a clip. A neat seam dissolves predictably. Then connect the bag to your hook link using a swivel or splice so the hook bait sits slightly apart. Doing this balances concealment with accessibility. Carp will be drawn in by scent, but can still take the hook bait cleanly. You finish by casting and monitoring the PVA bag's behavior so the presentation works underwater. Aim for a smooth cast to prevent the mesh from twisting. Once settled, allow 30 to 60 seconds for the PVA to start collapsing and releasing bait. Make sure there's slight slack so the hook bait sits naturally. If the bag doesn't dissolve or floats, switch to a faster dissolving PVA grade or add a touch more water when mixing. That fixes most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.